Hey guys, back here today, BJ Auto Repair. So I have a 2013 Jetta with a 2.5 liter. So I just want to show you quick, replacing an alternator. So the repair manual says to remove the bumper and put it into service mode. Definitely don't need to do that, a way quicker way. Obviously with a hoist, much easier, but you can do this on the floor as well. So all I had to do here was remove the compressor. So you got 3 bolts on the compressor, 1, 2, and then you got, let's see where it is. There's one hiding somewhere here. There it is at the back. So you got the 3rd one here. So there is a 10 mil on here with a bracket. You gotta take the 10 mil off and that pops off. This came off pretty easy. We are in Canada here in the Rust Belt. You can see everything's very rusty. They all came out. This one was questionable, but it did come out. After I got this compressor down, I was able to get the alternator out. The only thing I did have to remove is the tensioner, or sorry, the idler here. So I got the idler just sitting over here. The idler was held on by these 2 bolts here, which is a T10, or sorry, a triple Torx 10, whatever you want to call it. So compressor, idler, alternator. I did also remove the wheel well and the wheel just to make it easier. You don't have to do that, but I definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully this helps somebody, that you don't have to take the bumper off and put it into service mode.